What's up, guys? Me, Victor. Back down at the creek. It's good to be back. Geography has changed a lot, so it's just awesome. I saw a salamander go down under there, so it's good to see that all the wildlife has returned. But yeah, I'm gonna get my fishing on and hopefully get back with you guys with one. Alright? Peace. Alright, there are a couple of nice sunfish on this bed over here. Right on that bed. And some under that brush right there. So, I'm trying to get those. They're really big. As I said earlier, using Berkeley Gulp Alive. Very productive. Yeah, got one. I have a fish. First fish of the season. Oh yeah. There we go. This is a nice one. Oh yeah. Caught him on a Berkeley Gulp Alive. Yeah. They're down there now, so let's go. Got him. I managed to pull him off the bed. So yeah. Alright. So this guy is much larger. Yeah, really chunky. I would say about 10 ounces. But yeah, let me get this hook out, get the lure back in, hopefully catch some more. Great way to start off the season. Alright guys, so moved down the creek a little bit after I caught those two fish over there in the beds. Decided to come down here and try out my luck in the rocks. Yep. So, as I said, the creek geography has changed a lot. Right now I'm gonna put on a Rains worm. Yeah, right here. It comes in an X shape, but I cut the sides off, and so I have one long worm and then two shorter ones, and they're somewhere. Yeah, there it is. But yeah, I'm gonna try that. See my luck. I see some fish over there in the current. Hopefully I can catch them for you guys, and I'll get back with you. Alright? Yeah. Right over there taking a bath. Funny. Alright guys, so I wasn't getting any hits on the smaller clear colored one without a weight. So I switched to the larger range worm, weighted. It's in pumpkin color, and I just missed the fish actually. See, it's a little longer, so have to wait a little bit for them to get up to the hook part. Right there. Yeah. So I'll get back with you guys when I catch a fish. Fish are right in there. Yep, so that's the fish. Chasing a Rains worm. And I'm about to reel it in. But yeah. Alright guys, back to head in. Grandma's like, boy, it's way past time when you said you was gonna come in. So yeah, I gotta go in. But yeah, there are fish over there. Right in that bed area. So any other day, if I said I would be back a little later, I would travel down there and see what's up ahead down the bank. Down the creek. But yeah, gotta head in. It's a pretty good day. Hopefully I'll be able to get some more videos out. Ooh, geese. Wow. That was awesome. Yeah. Had a great day out today. But like I was saying earlier, hopefully I can get some more videos out pretty soon. Maybe one more before I leave out Wednesday and on a cruise. Yeah. So that should be fun. But yeah. Who knows, maybe might get some fishing videos out there. But see you guys later and keep a lookout for more videos.